Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really quick makeup tutorial. This is for all my ladies that never want to do a full face but want to know what steps to go about as far as just getting a simple quick look. I don't know what I'm doing right there, but anyways, so yeah ladies, this is for you guys who don't really have a lot of products but still want to do something to your face to make it look like you have your face done just a tad. I have a few quick, simple, easy products. I know this looks like a lot, but it's really not. It's something you can grab quick and easy from the drugstore and you'll be able to get a really cute face, girl. Just watch this. Okay ladies, like always, we start off getting those eyebrows nice and even. Here I'm using my brown pencil to make some stroke-like hairs in the beginning of my brow. And then I'm going to take the top of my brow and just kind of extend it to give it a sharp arch. There is no right way to make a brow. You just fill it in to the best of your ability and to your liking, just so it looks full. It doesn't have to be perfect on both sides. Most of the time, my eyebrows never look the same. And to me, that kind of gives it a more natural look, because sometimes you'll get a bad wax and you'll lose some hair, or you'll have more hair on one side. So it just looks natural when you fill it in to kind of give it a more full look. So here you can either use the spoolie, a mascara brush, or a regular shadow brush, and just kind of get that harsh square look from the beginning of your brow to make it look more natural. Okay, so here ladies, you want to get a concealer that's a shade lighter than your color, and then a shade that's your color. The lighter shade is going to go under the brow, and then your color is going to go above the brow. So you're going to put your shade concealer on the top, but in this case I'm not going to do it because I have on a white headband and I don't want to get it dirty. So I'm going to use a black pencil and color my waterline. Eyeshadow is completely optional. I just added a dark brown to my eyelid just so it can kind of pop a little bit above my lashes, but this is completely optional. You can still get that natural look. Yeah, so I definitely had to put my lashes on off camera. Y'all know I don't want y'all to see me struggling. About to damn near poke my eye out. I put on a little bit of mascara. This is also optional. Now you're going to use the shade that's your color. Go ahead and apply that to your under eyes. Normally you would use the concealer that's 2 shades lighter than your original foundation, but we're not using any foundation or anything like that. So you kind of want to just use this color as a coverage. So you want to get your beauty blender, drench it a little bit, but not too wet. And then go ahead and just start dabbing and melting that concealer into your skin. This is also optional. You want to get the darkest shade that you have and apply it to the lower parts of your cheekbone, the perimeter of your face, and then the sides of your nose. This is definitely gonna bring the color in if you've gone too bright. So if you have a bright color, you want to apply the darkest shade around the perimeter and just kind of blend it in so it kind of fits and comes back into place. But this is optional. Now I'm getting ready to add a little bit of blush. This is also optional because at this point, you guys, the look is finished. So it's all up to you how much you want to do, what do you want to add, how much of a full look you want to go for. If you want to go for something super simple, you can just do some of what I did. So that was the whole point of this video, to be honest. Everything else was basically based off of what I wanted to do that day. Y'all know I can't forget my highlighter. That's my favorite part. I want my nose to look gold. I always line my lips with brown. And then I'm just going to top it off with a nude pink. It's like a nude pink, yeah. Want to add some setting spray, go ahead and do that to finish off that look. But that is it, you guys. That is the finished look for my ladies who don't want to do too much but still want to get a little makeup touch up.
Crook Ramsey.